Hello everyone. It's about that time of year when we need to winterize our sprinkler systems and blow out all the water. I thought it would be helpful that you can kind of see how I do mine and maybe give you a step-by-step in case you're interested in doing your own sprinkler system. Now you can always get somebody, it usually costs 40, 50 bucks for somebody to come by and blow out your sprinkler systems. But if you want to do it yourself, I thought I'd show you how to do it. So let's go. Here are the tools you're going to need. You'll need a wrench, you'll need a screwdriver, you'll need your air compressor, and I'll talk about that more in a second. You need to be able to access your timer or your controller, and also, or be able to reach your solenoid valves. And then you might want to get a bucket for draining excess water out of the drain plug. Your first step is going to be to shut off the sprinkler water supply that comes off of the main line close to your water meter, normally in the basement. Now locate your backflow prevention, sometimes referred to as a check valve. It's on the exterior of the house normally, and that's where you're going to be attaching your compressor. Now screw on the nipple you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace or any of those places like that into one of the two screw areas so that you can attach the compressor to. Now shut off the valve that comes from the house supply to the backflow prevention, but leave on the valve that goes out to the sprinklers. Now with your screwdriver, turn the screw 45 degrees to where it's parallel with the pipe. That opens this up. Now, as far as compressors go, you need to have a compressor that's big enough to blow out the system. Now turn on the compressor and let it build up to about 50 psi before you hook it up. Now attach the compressor to the nipple. Now turn on the first station and let it run until all the water has blown out and you're seeing mist or air coming out of the furthest sprinkler head. Do the same for all the stations. Once you get all the water blown out of the sprinkler system, go back to the check valve and open up all of the valves halfway. Then open up the drain valve for the sprinkler solenoids and leave it open. Now go back to where your shutoff valve is. There should be a drain plug there. Open it up and drain the water. Make sure you have a bucket to catch the water. It's going to get real messy. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. Just remember, you need to do this by the end of October, 1st of November, before it gets really too cold. Now you're going to reverse the process and turn your sprinklers back on in usually Mother's Day. So that's kind of a time frame that you want to do. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give me some comments below, a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll look forward to helping you on the next project.